Okay, so far we have talked about creating pages and then creating a subpage as well. Just to review, this icon will edit your page. This is where you insert stuff. We worked on embedding a video, but you can also pull in links, images, anything in your Google Drive as well. What we didn't talk about is the formatting is over here to the left, and if you've used what is it, the Microsoft Suite, you should be familiar with the formatting. Tables, I'm a big fan of tables because it allows you to align your videos and the things that you embed, images and that kind of stuff, in a nice clean way. If we go back to the ePortfolio, actually the heat model here, the way that I got this to be nicely spaced is I added a table. So insert table, I did 2 by 2, and then I just posted the pictures inside of each one of these. Spaces it, you don't have to worry about it, looks beautiful. Layout, again we can go back to I believe it was my work history. Yeah, so under my work history, again, it's spaced out nicely, and I'm not saying this is a beautiful page, but I'm just saying as far as the organization, on the left and on the right, you've got nice spacing, that kind of stuff. So what I did there was, you go to Layout and click on 2 columns, and your 2 columns appear, so now you can put text here, and then embed your Google Form quiz over here so the kids can read and answer questions at the same time. You can put a video if you're teaching science and you're talking about momentum. You can put video of you don't want a car wreck, what's something a little bit nicer, a boulder falling off of a mountain or something. And then over here, you can open up a Google Doc where the kids are taking shared notes at the same time. So as you're watching the video, the kids are making observations over here to the right using Google Docs. So this can be as super interactive as you want or as static as you want. But the way to set this up is again, the layout.
Is there an easy way to embed the docs or like?
Absolutely, yeah. So let me click. So the question was, because I'm recording right now, the question was, is there an easy way to embed the docs? I would go over here to Insert, go to my Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and embed let's do a form. And here are my forms. So I go over here to Lesson Crashers. I'll select it. So to review, what I've done is I went to Insert, Google Drive. Here are my forms. I chose a form, and now I'm going to save it. And so now, over here, there's not a lot of detail, but once I click Save, there's the Lesson Crasher Google form. And so what I can do is I can embed a video here that talks about what Lesson Crashers is, and then do you want to apply for Lesson Crashers on the right, and now it's just, everything is completely accessible. All right. So if you want to make up a new page, or if you want to do this on the same old page, let's go ahead and do you guys have any forms that you can embed? No? Okay.
I did just add a document from my computer.
Okay, so let's do this. On one of your pages, so either create a new one to play around with, or on one of them that you have created right now, go ahead and go to Layout, and then click on the 2 columns, and I want you to find a video to embed on the left column. Okay, so right now we're talking about this subpage, the sports subpage. If you want to get rid of a page or a subpage, you click on the Open More Actions item button and just click Delete Page. If you want to move it around, you'll click on A couple things. Let's do manage site. I know I'm kind of switching gears here. I clicked on manage site. I'm going to go to pages. Here's the sports page. Dang it. Here's the sports page. Let's say I wanted the sports page to be under landing. Click and drag. It lets you know that it's moving, and so now I've just moved that subpage. So again, for those of you who are creating that Biology 101, but eventually you want it to encompass your Google site to encompass all of your classes, this is how you would reorganize your pages. If you want this to be a first level page, you're going to drag it up to G Sites, and now the sports is a first level page and not a sub page. So it's pretty straightforward. The most confusing part of this is just knowing how to get to this particular page. And so let's go ahead and go back. Again, to make a sub page into a first level page, click on whatever this thing is. Open more actions, manage site. Where did I go? Pages. And then you just start clicking and dragging. So sports page, I want it to be underneath my syllabus. I'll let it highlight it. It tells you it's moving, and there we go.